मुझे पता था कि taking a trip with this guy is going to ruin things. मुझे ना पहले से शक था कि ट्रिप पर उसकी कोई ऐसी आदत या उसका ट्रू नेचर रिवील हो जाएगा. Because that's what generally happens on trips. But you know what? When I came back, that's not what I felt at all. There was just so much love, so much admiration. And once I came back, I just knew. I was dead sure कि शादी मुझे इसी से ही करनी है. And this feeling was reciprocated, by the way. 2 months went by and इस सब के बीच में उसका US visa interview हुआ, which he of course cleared. And we decided that we are going to go to Jaipur once again for a period of 10 whole days. This time we did a palatial stay. आपने शायद ये वीडियो देखी होगी. I was so pagal in love, okay? I could literally feel it in my bones. I still remember there was this one time when I was half asleep, but he thought कि मैं सो गई हूँ, and he whispered to me, Vaishnavi, I'm gonna marry you. We're gonna have kids together. We're gonna have a life together. I'm gonna bring you flowers even when we are 80. And I just remember smiling in my sleep. I still get a little emotional when I think of that. Neither of our parents were happy with our Jaipur trip. He's more unhappy than mine. So yes, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा fight लेनी पड़ी थी to actually go on that trip. But he was my person. I could breathe easy around him, you know. We used to go shopping together, cook food together. Like वो legit प्याज काटता था and मैं तड़का लगाती थी. एक बार ना मैं उसके घर पे थी and मेरे को ना चाय बना रही थी. तो ना चाय बनाने के लिए मुझे अदरक चाहिए था. तो मैं उसके फ्रिज में गई और जब मैंने अदरक निकाला तब फ्रिज में 6 अंडे थे, सारे के सारे गिर गए. And he came and just cleaned it up. And एक बार गलती से केचप बॉटल को मेरा पैर लग गया था and पूरी बॉटल टूट गई and सारा केचप बाहर आ गया था. And again he laughed, he came, he cleaned it up and he didn't even let me help. इतना क्यूट था वो, इतना वक्त बिताया था उसके साथ, लेकिन हमारी एक भी लड़ाई नहीं हुई थी. We always used to adjust, compromise and care for each other's feelings. And funnily, our first fight happened because of my best friend. I think that was the beginning of the end. The thing is, he was very playful and he used to make some jokes at my expense. जब मेरी best friend ने उसको बोला कि हम नहीं देंगे हमारी लड़की, तो he was like, रख लो, मुझे नहीं चाहिए वैसे भी. Of course, he was joking, but then it escalated. मेरी best friend की emotional maturity थोड़ी थी, तो उसको pacify करने के लिए मैंने उसको बोला कि नहीं, लेकिन ये आएगा US से वापस और मेरे से शादी करेगा ना. तो उसने बोला नहीं. Again, मजाक में. But my best friend thought the joke was too far and then she said some very mean things to him. I did scold her that, dude, this is not okay. You cannot say these things to him. But I was also upset with him कि why does he have to make such jokes at my expense? And फिर the entire can of worms opened. He said कि अगर तुझे problem है मेरे joke बनाने से तेरे ऊपर, तो तुझे मुझे पहले से ही रोकना चाहिए था. Because you have set a precedent that you are okay with me making jokes on you. And honestly, I just didn't know how to handle the situation. I was also upset with my best friend. I was also upset with him. I was upset with myself, which led to a huge fight between us. We still found our way back to each other because it was me and him against the world, right? At least that's what I thought. Go to part 7.